Hey everyone, if you want to customize how PDFsam Basic works, changing the settings is a great place to start. In this video, I'll show you how to change PDFsam Basic settings step by step. First, open PDFsam Basic on your computer. Once the application launches, look for the Settings or Preferences section. Depending on your version, these options may be available from the main menu or the Settings panel. Next, browse through the available settings. You may find options for language, theme, default output folder, update preferences, notification sounds, and other application preferences. Now click the setting you'd like to change and select your preferred option. For example, you can change the interface language, choose a different theme, or set a default folder where your processed PDF files will be saved. Content reference OSITE, 0 index equals 0. After making your changes, save or apply the new settings if required. Some preferences take effect immediately, while others may require you to restart PDFsam Basic. Once you've finished, return to the main dashboard and continue using PDFsam Basic with your updated preferences. If something doesn't work as expected, you can always go back to the settings section and restore the default options or adjust them again, and that's it. Now you know how to change PDFsam Basic settings and personalize the application to match your workflow. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching.